well as Mrs. Claus. Welcome to my Advents Calendar series. Today is December 10th. Hello, for today's craft we're going super simple again, because simple is nice too. I have the iridescent balls and I've got some snow that is also a little bit iridescent. It's glittery. I tried to rip the package open already to be ready for you guys, but it didn't work that way. So I'll cut it. Here we go. There we go. Now we need to take our caps off. There we go. And then we'll slowly try to pour in snow. Let's see if I can do it without a funnel. No. Let me go grab a funnel. Alright, let's see if that works. Got a little paper funnel. I will put the snow on top of here. Ooh, this is so flaky and going all over the way. Oh my gosh, do you see that? Let's just see if that works the way I wanted it to. It may not. I'm starting to regret wanting to do this one because it is super messy. It is not really wanting to go through the funnel. I guess I'm trying to just pour it a little bit now. The snow is super flaky, which is pretty. It's absolutely gorgeous. But for what I'm trying to do here, it is too flaky, too all over the place. I may not put a whole lot into each ball. We'll see. Maybe I can pour some more like this. Oh no, it's definitely messy. Okay, I'm just gonna have to pour and then later catch it again. Clean up later. Make a mess now, clean up later. I'll just stay above this container. We'll be fine. Can you even see what I'm doing? I think you can. Okay. I'll give it a little bit more snow. It's going all over the place. Okay, I think that's enough snow for me. Actually, no, I want to give it a little bit more. I want it a little bit more in there. Look, do you see that it's basically falling over the opening and it's going to the side? Wow. Okay, this is enough. This is enough because I don't want to deal with more. And, whoops, I just took that one because I thought it was really gorgeous. My dogs are trying to come through, so please ignore when the table moves slightly. Alright, let's try to get some snow into this other snowball. Whee! This is way messier than I anticipated. I don't know what I was thinking. It looked all fluffy and great already in the bag, so don't know why I thought it would just go right in here. How funny is that? Okay. Let's see if I can get some more in here. Maybe if I go like this and I scoop it. Nope, doesn't go any better. We'll just continue making a mess until I'm satisfied with the amount of snow I have in my snow globe. Oh, snow globe. That's what I could call it. There is so much everywhere. A little bit more. A little bit more. Am I satisfied? How's the other one? Yeah, it's about the same. Well, I'll give it a little bit more. Oh, wow, there's a lot of snow in here. Look at all this mess. Look at all this mess. Okay, I think I'm done with this one. One more. Only one more. Oops, let's get this in here. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna put this up here so I can scoop there. Wow, look at all that. Do you see this mess? I'm sure you do. So, if you want to make this craft, be prepared for it to be an unholy mess, because it's so hard to get that actually in there. Now, if I had an actual funnel, like a plastic funnel, this might be super easy. So if you're doing this craft and you have a super easy way to get that in there, tell me. Tell me about it, show me a picture, make a video, link me to it. I know there is an easier way than this. Oh, wow. So much mess. How much more do I really want in there? I think it'll be fine. So, I was wondering if you're actually watching my advent calendar videos every day. Did you have a chance to watch them in a row, or did you just happen to come across this one? Let me know in the comments. I would say tell me which craft you want me to do next, but I have to admit I already picked all the crafts I'm doing because I wanted to be prepared for this one, for this series. So I don't have to scramble every day to come up with new ideas. I got them all ready. But if you have ideas for next year, I have no plan for next year yet. Alright, this is good enough. We'll put that in here. Whoop. Oh, there we go. Woo! What a mess this one was. So I've got 3 little balls. They look nicely iridescent. Look how nice they shake up. They better look pretty on my tree when I put them all up. By the way, the circles you see here is from my light, so the circles will not be on the balls. But yes, I hope that this one is a good one. I have another video with those kind of flaky stuff. Hopefully it's not quite as messy. I hope you get to do something like that yourself. Bye.